Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. So today we are going to learn about how to show a toast message in a React Native. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So today we are going to learn about how to show a toast message in a React Native. So here we go with that tutorial. So just let me pull down up. So here you can see that when I click on the show toast message, this is the custom toast message, right? So here we have the code, like this is custom short toast message. So here we have a duration, so you can pass the duration, whether this to be a short duration or the long. And here we have the position, that is top position, bottom and the center, you can add it over here. Okay, and the rest of that, this is a text message, but when we click on that one, we will calling it this toast message function, and this will render, right? And it will show your toast notification at the bottom with a short duration, right? So this is how we are able to do the show toast message in your React Native application. Any doubt, any query in that, just to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.